Today we're going to use our Rhino and Grasshopper to show you one more thing, how to make a G-code inside of Rhino. So we'll start off with Rhino 3D. Our goal is to convert from a raster image to a G-code. First we'll change from a raster and use the command vectorize, and that will change from a raster to a vector. Then using Grasshopper, we'll use a generated G-code from our vector image. So that's our steps today. Then we'll cut it out on our CNC machine. So we'll start up Rhino and we will type in vectorize. And then we'll go find our Rhino logo, and that's how easy it is. Vectorize, click on the Rhino logo, and we'll say OK. And so that gives us our raster image to a vector image. Now we'll start up Grasshopper, set multiple geometries. We'll pick everything here, press enter, and the information that we have is transferred from point data to a G-code. At the end, so we just have to decide where we would like to save our G-code and what file type we want to have. So we'll go stream destination. So in stream data, we will pick our file destination and our file name, our flash drive, and now we need to put down .cnd. That's the type of file that we need to use an extension for the techno that we're going to cut it on. Save. So that saved the file location and the file name. The next one, we stream the contents, and that'll send all of our G-code information. So we'll save our G-code information to our flash drive, and we can transfer it over to the CNC machine.